Canada just proposed forcing tech companies to put backdoors in encryption. Apple's response? We will never do that. Apple's response in UK last year? We will never do that. Apple's response next year somewhere? Hopefully the same line. Bill C-22, introduced by Canada's ruling Liberal Party, would force electronic service providers to install technical capabilities that allow law enforcement access to communications. The language is deliberately vague about what those capabilities look like. The Center for Democracy and Technology, with 20 other civil society organizations, has urged Canada to withdraw the bill. The CDT's specific objection: the bill claims to prohibit systemic vulnerabilities, but defines the term so loosely that Canadian officials retain full discretion to interpret it however they want. A safeguard a regulator can redefine is not a safeguard. The bill is a clone of the UK Technical Capability Notice issued to Apple in January 2025. Apple's response in UK was to pull advanced data protections from the British market entirely rather than weaken it. That worked because Apple had the leverage to do it. If Apple had been smaller or differently structured or under different leadership, the calculation might have come out differently. The pattern is now repeating across Western democracies on a one-year lag. UK in 2025, Sweden tried it and walked it back, France rejected one in Parliament, the EU spent 3 years on chat control, partially retreated in March, but the framework is still moving. Canada is the next round. There will be more. The corporate refusal model is encouraging, but it's a corporate refusal. It depends on Apple or Meta or whoever continuing to choose to refuse in every jurisdiction indefinitely. It depends on no acquisition, no political pressure, no successor CEO changing the line. An architecture that cannot comply doesn't need anyone to keep choosing. The CPU signs a measurement of the running code. Any modification to add an interception changes that measurement. Any user checking attestation sees it. The system is the choice, made once, verifiable forever.